We're at a private island in the Bahamas today. Must be a bit windy out there because I can feel the ship rocking. When we were at the airport 2 days ago, I was wearing a shirt that said London, England, and the TSA guy was like, "Are you really from London?" I was like, "No, I just visited once," which is not the question I would have asked. I would have asked why I was wearing 2 watches because I feel like that's a little bit more odd. If y'all remember, this is my Fitbit Inspire 2. It died, well, the screen died when I took it in the ocean last time. It still tracks. I just bought this Garmin Venu 3 like a week ago. It was 100 off, so it was like $350 instead of $450. Still pretty expensive. I will not be taking this in the ocean. I treat this thing like a baby. I don't even shower with it on. This dude, he was supposed to be waterproof. He's not. So this one, I'm being so gentle with him. Every time I hit my arm on something, I'm like, but he will not be going in the ocean. I'm having both of them on because I'm trying to see like what the difference is between them. So far, this one seems to get like 2,000 more steps, but it's nothing like major. This one tracks sleep a little better, but this is my 3rd Garmin in 6 years, or Fitbit. So I want to see if these dudes held up any better. I also forgot my going in the ocean hat, so I'm probably gonna get sunburned on my face today. It's kind of cold out here. I don't think I'm gonna have a great beach day. There's only one ship that's taller than us. We were trying to find Windjammer, but we couldn't find the steps, so now we're in the solarium. It's not as crowded as I thought it would be. I guess a lot of people are off the ship. That ship out there is Oceania Nautica, and the one next to us is not the big one I was thinking of, but the one we were on last night. They have a towel station down on deck 3, and we are off the ship now. We're at the beach now. Wow, look at the beach. What? We're always vlogging the beach. Hi! Did you see that lady earlier at breakfast who was like staring me down while I was talking into the camera for like 2 seconds?
The one next to us?
Yeah.
Both of them are really judgy. Because when the guy came in, he like was mad that I took the front table, I think, so he had field trip me. But like, they could have asked as well, but I would have. But he just kind of like side-eyed me as he like rammed your chair out of the way. And I was like, I'm so sorry, sir.
I'm being told I have to go be cold in the ocean, so the next video might be me sprinting back to the ship.
Look at that.
My mom.
Yeah, no. I'm fucking you.
Getting some lunch now. It's still really windy. It's very crowded here, but there's salad, burgers, hot dogs, tacos, a bunch of champions. Oh yeah. Set up the ropes finally. They also got the tractor out. I want to look out on the balcony. No! This is their door. This is the view from the balcony.
That's what this is. They're celebrating Robert and Robert.
It's like printed on there. This one's cool. You could go to their room and knock. Play me a little song. Wow, that was beautiful. There's not a lot of people in the water. I think it's supposed to sing in your ears.
Just like music.
Headphones, huh?
It's like a little mini disco.
Yeah. That's something.
I'm on a giraffe. It's like, yeah, it was like, yeah, I
It
don't
just
like
says
that.
experience art up there.
Well, it's like, it's playing ocean noises.
I don't like that.
Yeah, I like stick my head over.
We were just down at Central Park looking for ducks. There's one right there. I'm keeping an eye on it in case someone grabs it. I know not to tell my finder not to look for it anymore. This is a roasted vegetable sandwich from the little bistro inside the park. I wasn't sure if I'd like it, so I only got one, but now I'm hungry, so I wish I'd gotten two. Look at the cargo ship. How far can we zoom in? About that far. There's a couple out there.
Ready for the power of the Samsung? Wow. I can almost read the name on him. Look.
The Disney treasure is somewhere out there, but we can't see it from here. And the ship that's with us is getting ready to leave.
A, blue,
It was pretty much how 10 came out.
You are not indoor.
10.
I'm like, you're not saying we're 1-6.
cash it out.
won the highest fish. Wow, it just keeps going, doesn't it?
I was like, wow. Oh, wow.
Have you used up at least your $6?
No, but I want the $14. Hey.
We have a little elephant tonight. Winning big at the casino with my free play dollars. But I'm not the highest winner. He looks like he's going up.
Well, I'm fine,
Oh, he's going down.
Get over home and I'll let you set up. Try to live your life.
There's a machine in the little casino, so I got my 6 cents, but it didn't give me the 63 cents for my $6.
You still have 26 seconds. Is under control. Wow. Okay. Take any two. We got 10 seconds. Everybody, 9.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
6. Going to watch this. Okay, 2, 3. Yeah, do 1.